Good morning, my dear students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine. Welcome to all of you to this video lecture. I am Manojit Kumar Bishwas, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara Dhaka. My dear students, time and tide wait for none. So you should practice continuously. Okay, dear students. Now let's go. However, my dear students, today I want to solve a very important math from chapter number 2, that is Accounting for Partnership Business. Chittagong Board 2019, math number 4. My dear students, at first we want to see the math. Sakib, Tamim and Shomo are three partners of a firm. Their profit and loss sharing ratio is 3:2:1. On January 1st, 2018, their capital balance were taka 50,000, taka 30,000 and taka 20,000 respectively. Sakib withdrew taka 900 per month as salary. My dear student, just follow it. Sakib already withdrew taka 900 per month as salary. However, they decided to charge 5% interest on capital and drawings. Tamim withdrew taka 7,000 on July 1st and Shomo withdrew taka 4,000 on October 1st from the business. On the other hand, Sakib withdrew goods costing taka 3,000. My dear student, mind it, interest on drawings will be calculated only for cash drawings. Okay. However, after charging salary of Sakib, but before adjusting other above adjustment, the firm's profit for the year ended 31st December 2018 was taka 16,765. My dear students, now requirements. Requirement A, determine interest on cash drawings. Requirement B, prepare profit and loss appropriation account. And requirement C, determine the net claim of Sakib and Shomo to the firm. My dear student, for this we have to prepare partners capital account only for Sakib and Shomo. Okay, my dear students, now let's go to solve the math. Now solution. At first, requirement A, that is calculation the amount of interest on drawings. My dear students, we know that interest on drawings will be calculated only for cash drawing. At first, interest on drawings for Tamim. Total cash drawing 7,000 taka into interest rate 5% divided 12 into 6. Then we will get taka 175. Now interest on drawings for Shomo. Total cash drawing 4,000 taka into interest rate 5% divided 12 into 3. So taka 50. My dear student, this is the solution of requirement A. Now requirement B, that is profit and loss appropriation account. My dear student, we know that any account has two sides, debit and credit. My dear student, we also know that profit and loss appropriation account will be started with net profit. Profit means credit, so credit side, profit and loss account, net profit 16,765. Now all expenses debit side. For this reason, debit side, partners capital account, interest on capital. My dear student, we know that interest on capital is expense for the organization. However, Sakib 2,500 taka, Tamim 1,500 taka and Shomo 1,000 taka. Total 5,000 taka. Now interest on drawings, credit side, because interest on drawing is income for the organization. Now partners capital account, interest on drawings, Tamim 175 and Shomo 50 taka. Total 225. My dear student, we know that Sakib withdrew goods from the organization. For this reason, credit side, Sakib capital account, goods drawing 3,000 taka. Now 16,765 plus 225 plus 3,000, total 19,990 taka transferred to debit side, and from this amount 5,000 taka will be deducted. Then we will get divisible profit 14,990 টাকা, which will be distributed among the partners according to partners deed, that is 3:2:1. Okay, my dear students, so Sakib 7,495 টাকা, Tamim's profit 4,997 টাকা, and Shomo's profit 2,498 টাকা. Okay, my dear student, this is the solution of requirement B. Now requirement C, that is partners capital account. My dear student, we know that any account has two sides, debit and credit. My dear student, we also know that capitals means credit. So credit side 2018 January 1st balance BD for opening capital. Sakib 50,000 taka and Shomo 20,000 taka. Now debit side 2018 December 31st drawings account. Sakib 0 taka, that is cash 0 taka, and Shomo 4,000 taka. Now December 31st profit and loss appropriation account, interest on drawings, Sakib 0 taka, Shomo 50 taka. Now goods drawing, Sakib 3,000 taka, Shomo 0 taka. Now credit side December 31st profit and loss appropriation account, interest on capital, Sakib 3,000 taka and Shomo 1,000 taka. Profit, Sakib 7,495 and Shomo 2,498 taka. Now total of Sakib 60,495 and total of Shomo 23,498 taka transferred to debit side. Then we will get December 31st balance CD 57,495 for Sakib and 19,448 for Shomo, which will be balance BD credit side for next working day, that is 2019 January 1st. Okay, my dear student, this is the solution of requirement C. Thank you so much. Next, see you.